out. But listen to me as a catch. If you know this song, if you know this shit, I need you to sing this shit at the top of your lungs as loud as you possibly fucking can, word for word. I'm losing my voice, so I need y'all to help me on this shit. If you don't know this song, it's okay. Use this opportunity to go to the bathroom or some shit, go buy a t-shirt. But I'm gonna do this shit right now for my niggas. Lights please, lights please. The lights, everything just stays alright. How you make the darkness stays alright. I'm feeling like things gonna be alright. Lights please. For now, everything just stays alright. How you make the darkness stays alright. I'm feeling like things gonna